welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. I know it's been a hot minute since I've uploaded any new content. I want to thank all of my subscribers for like holding on for dear life, possibly waiting for me to upload another video. I also want to thank those that subscribed to my channel and saw that I haven't uploaded anything in like a year. So thank y'all so much. So I was kind of thinking like, how should I come back on YouTube? I mean, because now I got my life together, kind of. You know, I want to start making videos again. So I figured, you know, I'm having or doing this really cool thing to my hair, and I figured, hey, why not document it? Like, that would be fun, right? So let me tell y'all just like a quick update. So I wasn't uploading any more videos on my channel just because I don't know, I guess I was feeling discouraged. Like the quality of my videos wasn't what I envisioned. So it was just becoming very discouraging, and then some other things that I was dealing with in my life at that time, and I just didn't want to upload. I mean, that's just the honest truth. I just didn't feel like uploading. But now I'm a full-time student, and I'm currently trying to, I'm taking all my prereqs to try to get into a nursing program. So if you guys would like to follow me on that journey, make sure you thumbs up on this video. Sorry, that is my kids. They're supposed to be asleep. Hey, y'all need to go to sleep. I'm trying to do a video. Like I was saying, if you guys would like to follow me on that journey of trying to become a registered nurse, then make sure the thumbs up button, and comment below on some ideas that you guys would like to see me vlog. So what I'm going to be doing to my hair that I mentioned earlier, well, your girl's getting Sisterlocks. So excited. I'm so excited. Today is today is Wednesday, March 6th, and I go Friday, March 8th to get them established or installed. I don't know the correct terminology, but I go on Friday to go ahead and get them established. So kind of like why I chose Sisterlocks. Well, I guess I'll go back and say, what are Sisterlocks? Okay, so Sisterlocks are just really tiny, basically micro locks. Micro locks and Sisterlocks are different, but for the most part they're the same. You're gonna pay about the same, and they both cost a pretty penny. The difference with Sisterlocks is that you have to have a what do you call it, a licensed consultant be able to do your hair, versus with micro locks or traditional locks, anybody can start them. I mean, you can start them yourself. So I was told at first, let me go back. At first I was thinking about getting a traditional locks. Like, it was actually something my husband always wanted me to do, but I just didn't think that I could commit to locks because I like to change my hair so much. But finally I was like, okay, I'll, you know, possibly get traditional locks. So I looked into them, and then one of my friends told me, hey, have you ever looked into Sisterlocks? And I was like, what is Sisterlocks? I went on Pinterest and I put in Sisterlocks. Let me tell y'all, I instantly fell in love. I was like, that's exactly what I want. That's exactly what I want. So I immediately started watching every video on YouTube that has Sisterlocks. It's serious. I went on YouTube and probably watched every YouTuber who has Sisterlocks who is out there. So yeah, I did my research. I YouTubed everybody I could possibly YouTube. Also went on the Sisterlocks page to find a consultant. That's the cool thing about Sisterlocks, that is different from other locks. Like I said, you have to have a licensed consultant, but they also provide that. Like, you just don't, you know, so that way you don't have to just go based off of other people's word, you know. So I found a Sisterlock consultant who is like literally 10 minutes from my house. Praise God. I love it. I love her. She was awesome. I did not have to go to multiple consultants. When I met her, we had our consultant. She was very knowledgeable. She gave me a lot of information, a lot of tips as far as how I will be taking care of my locks. She excuse me. Oh, Jesus. Whew. She looked through my hair, she measured my hair because the price is based off like hair density, length, all that jazz. She told me I had about 11 inches of hair, and I immediately scheduled with her. I loved her so much. I will go through the questions that I asked her, but I'll just make that a whole nother video. If y'all want that video, let me know, comment below, and I'll make a video as far as questions that you should ask, you know, your loctician before scheduling an appointment with them. So anyway, she gave me a price. She also put in what they call tester locks for me to kind of play with, see how it works, wash, all that stuff. And she put my tester locks, she put about 10 in, and here they are. They're very, very tiny. Sorry. I don't know if can y'all see that? They're so little. I've showed people and they're like, are those braids? Like, kind of, not really. But so it's not the very back. I mean, it is the back, but it's not like the very bottom. So they come about right here. So yeah, she put about 10 in, and the only thing is that I scheduled this appointment back in January. So I've had these in since January, and again, it's March 6th. So it's been almost 2 months that I've had these in, and she's retightened them. She only took one down, just so that way she can kind of time how long it would take to take them all down if she has to, if it doesn't align with all the others. So I'm so excited, guys. I chose to get Sisterlocks mainly because, like everybody else who got Sisterlocks, like, I'm so tired of my hair. I'm tired of combing it out. I'm tired of having to keep up with trimming it. I'm tired of it. Like, I want my hair to grow. And typically when I get bored with my hair, I cut it. And I don't want to cut it again. I just didn't want to do that anymore. And I just wanted to let my hair be. And I guess this sounds really like, maybe it sounds a little cliche or just like, okay, really? But I just really want to be able to embrace my hair. I typically always have some sort of braids in, a sew-in, a wig on, twist, and I've never really worn my hair out because it's just such a hassle sometimes to deal with. Like, I have to wake up, I have to plan how I'm styling my hair. I don't want to do that anymore. So I'm gonna get Sisterlocks. I really think that's it. Well, something that I have to do before my appointment is I have to like wash my hair just with shampoo, with like a clarifying shampoo, no conditioner, no other products after that the night before. So that would be tomorrow. So I will also film that for you guys on what I'm gonna do as far as washing my hair. Really, I'm just gonna use a clarifying shampoo, but if you guys want to see that, I will upload that. Actually, I probably won't. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I probably won't do that because it's midterm week. Probably won't. But I will. What I will do is I've already asked my consultant if I can film. You know, we can, you know, she gives some information as far as kind of what she's doing. But out of respect for the Sisterlock brand, I will not film like how she puts them in, because again, you have to be a licensed consultant. You have to go complete the class and they teach you how to do it. So I won't film that, but I will film as far as like her prepping my hair, getting it ready. Once it's done, I'll film the morning of, as far as like what I'm doing. That is it, guys. I'm so excited to be back on here. I'm gonna do my best to try to have a video for you guys once a week, if not once every 2 weeks. And I'm only saying that because, again, I am a student. So once we get into the summertime, I'll be able to film more because I'm at home. But again, during school, it's very tough. You know, I'm still a stay-at-home mom. I don't work, and I'm a full-time student, and I'm a wife, and I'm very active in my church. So there's a lot going on, and a lot that takes up, there's a lot of things that take up my time. So yeah, anyways, so again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate y'all so much. For the subscribers, again, that have been there hanging on. And for the new ones, I think I've gained like 12 new subscribers the entire year, about one a month. Crazy, right? And I hadn't lost any, so I'm really happy about that, and I'm very thankful, and I thank y'all for all of y'all support. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And while you at it, you might as well go ahead and hit subscribe. Like, don't waste your time. You don't need to watch another video. You know you like me, you know I'm cool. And you know you want to join the fam. Like, I know we're small, but I know you want to join, okay? And also, if you do hit subscribe, please make sure you hit the button with the parentheses so that way you can get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.